Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI.
I recently updated my living room decor and I was looking for a clock to hang on my wall that was classy, kind of modern looking, and timeless. And I definitely found what I was looking for in this beautiful clock from Meyer Home. Not only is this clock stunning with its two-tone distressed metal face, but it's also durable, lightweight, silent, and a conversation piece all rolled into one clock. It comes in two different styles and shapes for you to choose from. I got the color 1 option in 30 inches and it looks beautiful on my wall. I could also see this hanging nicely in an office or a bedroom. I do think my favorite thing about this clock is how lightweight it is. It made it so easy to hang on the wall, and I know that if I feel like moving it to another location, it's going to be no hassle at all to take it down and put it somewhere else where it's going to look just as gorgeous. It came very nicely packaged, and when I took it out of the box, I simply had to add a battery, set the time, and hang it on my wall. And because it's absolutely silent, it would be perfect in a bedroom or a guest room where it wouldn't disturb anyone trying to catch their Z's. So if you're in the market for a beautiful, easy to maintain wall clock for your home or as a gift for someone else, I highly recommend this beautiful clock from Meyer Home.
And that's my point of view.